Alright, I'm en route to my uncle's place. I got this big sheet of wood here. Pretty hard to cut those things perfectly straight. It's not bad, but he's got a table saw. And I'm building the cabinet that actually is going to go right there. Holes in the floor. So, 8 sores, Propex. You can see the holes already in there. Got that exhaust. That's the hot air out, and I'll have to just use some silicone, I guess. Sink's gonna go there. That's gonna be extra covered. Some of this edging too, you can see how thick that is. This is going to be that thick, so I can put that laminate on there. So just trying to figure out the depth, but we got soft closing door slides. How's that grabbing? Not too bad, eh? On that one too, gotta tighten it up a bit. Turned out pretty good though. Do you ever date guys hanging out the window of their best friend's drive? What do you do? Never?
All the time.
Hey, what do we got? A whole bunch of numbers here. 6, 15, 5, 16, 19, 1, 24. What does that mean? I'm trying to expedite this process. This is the order that it goes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then these numbers are the color codes. So I've got 6 different colors. So I'll stain all of those. The edge of this kitchen sink on there. That's curing. And while that's curing, I'm gonna draw some mountains on the back here. And when you open the door, essentially there's just gonna be like this really cool mountain. It's gonna sit out a little bit. And then hanging north.